Hi boys and girls, hope you're okay. I hope you enjoyed the video all about recycling. Now, I'm going to talk to you about some of the things that I do in my house to help recycle. And then I'm going to set you a challenge for you to tell me 5 things that you do or could do to help the planet, okay? And you can either draw a picture of these 5 things or you can write some sentences to tell me what they are, okay? So are you ready to see what Miss Dracana does to help recycle? Okay, so the first thing, and I'm sure lots of your grown-ups do this, I have a special bag that I carry with me all the time when I am going shopping. So I don't ask for a new bag every time I go to the shops. I always have this bag with me, which I reuse every time. And some of you might have seen this at school. It's from the Disney store, and I love it so much. So it gets folded up like this, then it goes in my handbag. So I always have it with me. So that's the first thing I do for recycling. Then next thing I do is I really love drinking coffee. Lots of you will know that already. So I have a coffee machine, which I use a lot. And to make the coffee, it needs these special capsules, okay? And when I have finished using these, I don't put them in the bin. I put them in a special recycling bag, which then gets sent to the shop, back to the shop, and these capsules are reused. Can you see the recycling sign here? And I've collected quite a few. It's very heavy. I think it's nearly time to send it back. Okay, so there's the recycling sign. The other thing I do, every week through the letterbox, I receive one of these bags from the charity shop, and they ask if we have any spare clothes that we are no longer using, which can be donated. So Miss Dracana always makes sure that any clothes we're no longer wearing or any clothes that no longer fit get put in this bag and sent to the charity shop so that children or grown-ups might like to reuse them and buy them, okay? So I'm sure lots of you do that as well. My next thing that I do, now I have 2 bins in my house. This one lives underneath my sink. And in there, I put any food waste that I no longer need. So that goes in here. Okay, so that's my organic bin, and it lives underneath my sink to make sure that I don't mix my rubbish. And when I take this outside, it will go in the green bin. Okay, Miss Dyson spoke to you about that yesterday, in the green bin. Okay. I also have another bin. It's a lot bigger. Looks like this. And in here, that is where I keep all of my plastic and paper waste. Okay, so I've got plastic bottles in there. I've got cartons. I've got plastic containers. I've got beer cans. Okay, all different things in there. So that's another way that I recycle. And my final way that I recycle is where I can, I try to use things that I no longer need to make something else. So this little container here used to be a candle holder, a tea light holder, okay? So once the tea light had finished and was no longer being used, I replaced it and put this other candle inside, a little flower candle. So now that's become a new holder for my flower, okay? So I try to make sure that where I can reuse things, I do, okay? Now, I would love to hear what you do at home to recycle. Now, I'd love it if you could write me some sentences, or if you could draw me some pictures to show me what it is you do for recycling, okay? I can't wait to see all of your lovely work. I shall see you soon, boys and girls. Bye.